adding plants to your home decor is more than just an aesthetic choice. It's a transformative decision that can enhance your well-being and improve your living space. In this video, we will delve into the reasons why you should embrace plants in your home and explore the incredible benefits they bring to your physical and mental health. Get ready to discover the power of plants and unlock a greener, happier, and healthier living environment. 1. Improved indoor air quality. Plants act as natural air purifiers, filtering out toxins and releasing oxygen. They can remove harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, benzene, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, commonly found in indoor spaces. 2. Enhanced mental health and well-being. Studies have shown that being around plants can reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. The presence of greenery indoors promotes relaxation, boosts mood, and improves focus and productivity. 3. Increased humidity and respiratory benefits. Plants release moisture through a process called transpiration, increasing humidity levels in the surrounding air. This can alleviate respiratory issues and dryness, reduce the risk of allergies, and soothe dry skin and irritated eyes. 4. Natural stress relief and relaxation. Connecting with nature through indoor plants can create a calming and peaceful atmosphere. The act of caring for plants, such as watering and nurturing them, provides a therapeutic and mindful experience. 5. Biophilic design and aesthetic appeal. Incorporating plants into your home decor adds a touch of natural beauty and creates a connection with the outdoors. Plants bring life, color, and texture to any space, making it visually appealing and inviting. 6. Improved cognitive function. Research suggests that having plants in indoor environments can enhance cognitive abilities, including memory and concentration. They can increase productivity and create a more conducive environment for learning and creativity. 7. Connection with nature. Having plants at home allows you to establish a deeper connection with nature, even in urban settings. It reminds us of the natural world, instills a sense of harmony, and promotes a sustainable mindset. The power of plants in your home extends far beyond mere decoration. By incorporating indoor greenery, you can improve indoor air quality, enhance your mental well-being, and create a soothing and inviting atmosphere. Experience the transformative benefits of plants by welcoming them into your home and embracing the incredible power they hold. Let the magic of nature inspire and enrich your living space like never before.